कराची में हो गया
डेटा सेंटर
मैंने देखी है वीडियो, मुझे पता है.
Okay, so let's look at this. Now we know the basics of VMware. In VMware, what happens is in ESXi host you have a virtual switch, and virtual switch has port groups inside. And by default, there are two port groups. One port group is known as VM network port group. What is the main function of VM network port group? Only to provide ports for VMs. And management network port group is to provide a VM kernel port or a management port for the management of this ESXi host. Now at any point in time, if this is disconnected or the port is not working, you won't be able to manage it. You won't be able to manage. Now let's go a deep down dive in VM kernel port. VM kernel port. So here we already understand now.
Yeah.
Before going on to VM kernel port, we know that let's say that we have a new VM. You create a new VM, guys. Automatically, you don't have to do anything. This VM will automatically connect to a VM network. It automatically goes there. So this is why we see in our servers, as soon as you create a network, it automatically connects here. And if you go into virtual switch, you see all of the VMs are listed under VM network port group. All the VMs are not listed under management port group. They are all listed under VM network port group. They automatically connect there. Yes.
If you have a DHCP server that's outside the ESXi,
Yeah.
will these clients be able to?
Yes, they will be. They will be. Because how DHCP works. Now, guys, it's a very good question. The question is that if DHCP server is there, would these clients would be able to get the IP address? Yes. So what happens is this. As soon as a new client starts up, it sends a query to all of these ports saying that I need a new IP address. And then right from here, it goes outside and it goes on all of these ports. So that broadcast goes outside, and wherever the DHCP server, it replies back and provides the DHCP. So that's how it is. So they will get an IP address. Now VM network ports. So right here we have VM ports. VM ports are this, and now management port. So this is all about a management network port group. Now management network port group is specifically used for management purposes, management network port. By default, this port group has only one port. It has only one port. By default, this port group has only one port. So here I'm going to say, by default, management network port group has one port. The port is known as, what is the port known as? VM kernel port. That port is known as VM kernel port. VM kernel port. And main function of this port to manage to get us connected to the management network of ESXi host. Now VM network port is a management port. VM network port, VM kernel port is also called management port. VM network port is also known as management port. Now management port overall, or VM kernel port, has 4 functionalities. VM kernel port or the management port can do 4 different functions. So management port or I'm going to say in bracket VM kernel port has 4 different functionalities. Management port can do 4 different functionalities. So management port can do 4 different functions, and the 4 different functions are vMotion traffic, fault tolerance traffic, management traffic, and vSAN and virtual SAN traffic. It can do 4 functionalities. So here I'm going to say management port. It can manage from a management port. We can manage vMotion traffic. Number 2, it can do FT or fault tolerance.
vMotion.
vMotion traffic, fault tolerance, logging. And number 3 is management traffic, which is by default it is doing.
What is FT?
FT is
Fault
fault
tolerance.
tolerance.
Fault
Fault
tolerance.
tolerance, logging. And third one is vSAN or virtual SAN. Fourth one is virtual SAN,
SAN traffic.
or it is sometimes called vSAN as well.
vSAN, virtual SAN.
Virtual SAN, or so management port can do 4 types of can pass through 4 types of traffic. Now these 4 types of traffics cannot pass through just VM ports. So VM ports cannot do this. This is a property of